Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how basics of variables and data types in Python. Variables are used to store values in memory that can be used later in the program. In Python, you can create a variable by assigning a value to it using the equals sign. Example, my_var equals 5. In this example, we are creating a variable called my_var and assigning it a value of 5. Data types. Python supports several different data types that can be used to store values in variables. Here are some of the most common data types. 1. Integer. An integer is a whole number without a decimal point. In Python, integers are represented using the int data type. Example, my_int equals 5 2. Float. A float is a number with a decimal point. In Python, floats are represented using the float data type. Example, my_float equals 3.143. String. A string is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. In Python, strings are represented using the str data type. Example, my_string equals hello world. 4. Boolean. A Boolean value is either true or false. In Python, booleans are represented using the bool data type. Example, my_bool equals true. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.